Nissan Sentra T-bones Tesla Cybertruck, in Tampa, Florida. Nissan appears to have run a red light, and though neither left the scene under their own steam, the Nissan definitely came off worse. The collision happened between a Cybertruck and a much smaller Nissan Sentra. While both the vehicles left the scene with the help of a flatbed truck, the Tesla riding on top, and the Nissan towed behind, the level of damage differs hugely. The Cybertruck has visible damage to the fender and front and rear doors on the passenger side, plus 2 flat tires, and of course there may be some serious structural damage to the sill and floor that we can't see. But the Nissan is comprehensively destroyed, the entire front end of the sedan folding up almost to the base of the windshield. Cybertruck's high value and shortage of supply means that it could find itself another life.